that you rewild these areas. Lots of people say it's really important in your garden if you mow it, just to have an area that you don't mow to let wildflowers and grasses thrive, because the report was, and I'm out, which can mean just one thing: a good looking day of weather and a lovely weekend of weather ahead. I'll have all the details of that and more live from the Cotswolds, where I'm surrounded by gorgeous wildflower meadows. Good morning, Britain. And the significance of Olivia and the butterfly, I have one behind me in this field of wildflower meadows, which will be full of butterflies later. And this is Adam Henson's farm, Cotswold Wildlife Farm, and he is encouraging people to plant wildflower meadows to encourage pollinators like bees and wasps and butterflies into our gardens, because they're just so important. And as you can see, the sun is shining on me today. It's set to be a gorgeous day with blue skies for many of us and fun. Isn't it just?
Oh, wow.
And me being out is just a sign that the weather is lovely, and it's set to be a lovely weekend of Westminster Bay. Low pressure sits to our north through the weekend. That's why we're more likely to see some wet weather at times. But for many of us, things are looking pretty settled. But how does it look for today? Well, not for all of us, fine and dry. We have a band of rain that's just moving away from the southeast. That was the one that brought a lot of rain across northern areas yesterday. That will slowly clear away from the Kent coast as we head through the day, and then fine weather follows on. So for many of us, sharing in the blue skies that I have here this morning, and sunshine takes many of us through the day. A few showers across the far northwest of Scotland, but in between, temperature-wise, we're looking at high teens, low 20s in the north and mid-20s in the south. How do things look as we head through this evening and overnight tonight? Well, the skies turn clear and dry. That means it'll be a bit of a fresh start to the day if you're up early on the weekend, but Saturday is looking good. Saturday. Yes, I'm at Adam Henson's Cotswold Farm Park, and look who's joined me this morning. He just stumbled on over by.